Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Papercrafts and Planners, and I wanted to show you a haul that I just received from Close to My Heart. And the reason I'm want to get it to show it to you really quickly is because there's some Valentine's stuff in here. And I know if you're like me and you're going to craft for the holidays, you need to be doing Valentine's like yesterday. I'm kind of slow about this kind of thing. Here's their latest catalog. When you order from Close to My Heart, they're going to send you a copy of their latest catalog. And so, of their mini catalog. They have one that's a main catalog that everything stays live all year long, and then they have these little mini ones. So this one they sent me, it ends December because I placed the order in December. And this one begins January and goes through February. It's a little mini catalog. I'm not going to do a flip through of this unless someone below asks me to, and then I will absolutely make a video. Okay, so let me show you what I purchased. So first of all, these are not Valentine's, but I just fell in love. This is a stamp set. We cruise, my husband and I, and also some friends. And so I do some memory keeping of some of those photos on occasion. And I just loved that. And this, I bought the die. They call them thin cuts. Close to My Heart does. But the die set to go with it. If there's a die for a stamp set, I'm probably going to get it because it just makes things so much easier. And here is, this one's called Extra Special, I think. Let's see. Yes, Extra Special. And also this one also had thin cuts, so I've got both of those. Okay. And then I purchased this kit, and it is called the Oh My Heart Workshop Kit. Let me show you this. Really love this. So it came with these little envelopes. So cute. And I love this pink. So you receive quite a few. I'm not going to count them right now because I think it's going to say in here how many. Came with this stamp set. Look at that. I love this. And these are all separate pieces, so you can kind of mix and match and do them how you want. I love the to and from. I love you this much. And then it has the hands that you can place on either side. So cute. Okay. Let's see what else comes in this workshop. You receive some silver stickles. I think this is probably called silver. Yes, silver stickles. And for those of you who don't know what stickles, it's glitter glue is basically what it is. You can use it to adhere, but usually use it on top of things just to be cute. Glitter things up. Okay, let's see what else comes in this kit. Oh, I'm already loving some of this. I just was like, Valentine's, I better get it, and I better get it quick. Okay, there. So here is some paper, the Oh My Heart paper pack, and a sticker sheet. These would be really cute to make Valentine's with your children with these little envelopes, and so they can give them to all their classmates. Love that. Or co-workers, whatever you want to do. Love these stickers. Be Mine Crossing, Cupid's Arrow Peak. That is too cute. And these are strips at the bottom. Love that. Okay, so you get that sticker sheet, and you get a couple of pieces. Let's see how many. 2 of this one, and it's double-sided. Close to My Heart always does what they call zip strips at the top. So it's going to be a pattern. No, you can't see, but it's a stripe pattern, diagonal stripe on this one. And then the back looks like this, and then at the top it's going to say the paper collection and the number for ordering. The colors that are in here. So they have solid color sheets, and these are the colors that coordinate with this paper kit, which I always love. I always keep the zip strips. So there's that one. And there's this one. Cute, those little bows and the stripe. Love that. X's and O's, and then the back looks like that. The hearts, that's really pretty. And then you're going to receive some solid colors, and these are place markers for doing a layout, a 12 by 12 layout. So these are for the photos. These would be markers of where the photos would go. So you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of colored cardstock in those beautiful colors, and then you're going to receive all of this white. And I think the reason you're receiving so much of this white is because It is so you can make the card bases also. Now, Close to My Heart has 65-pound cardstock weight usually. And I think that that's perfectly fine for making little kids cards. If you were going to make cards where you're going to put a lot of layers on them, I would probably do your card bases in at 85 to 110. Let me show you in the book how they've got a demonstration. And there's, if you order this, there's a link online to get the instructions to make all these different cards. So look at that. They've made all of these cards for the artwork. It makes 40. So there are 40 little envelopes here and 40 cards you can make out of this kit. So cute. Okay, let's put that aside. Hopefully the stack won't start falling over. I'm still in between switching from one craft room to the other. So yeah, it's echoing in here and I don't have a lot of room on this little table I'm using. Let me show you this. This is an embossing folder and it's called Simply Chevron. And I just thought this would be a cute background for a lot of different card styles. And let me show you if you can see. I'll put it in this colored paper so you can kind of see the chevron pattern there. Love that. And of course you can always use it that way too. Whether you emboss or deboss, depends. Okay, the next thing I have here is the Craft On bulk papers. And I just liked these, so that's why I bought them. And again, at the top, it says Craft On Bulk, the number, and then it has the colors, black, bluebird, Carolina, emerald. It has all the colors that go with it. This is a really pretty blue stripe with little dotted line through it. And then the other side is a floral. And so there are 1, 2, 3, I think there's probably 10 or 12 of these in this bulk pad. But I'm gonna do some bulk cards with this. And hopefully I'll get them done and I'll show you. And this is just an add-on paper for the Oh My Heart, because I wanted some extras of these to do Valentine's cards with. So it's the same papers I've already shown you, and just 2 of each all over again. I got an extra pack of the paper. Here, I'll spread them out like this so you can kind of see what comes with each. Yeah, here we go. All of the patterns here. And I just think this is a really, really cute pattern paper kit. Okay, and then Close to My Heart has something where they have, if you place an order of $50, then you can get a stamp of the month for $5 only. And so when I placed my order, because I am affiliated with them, I'm a consultant for them, I could pick any of the stamp sets from any month. And so this was my favorite, was the February one. So that's what I purchased. Now, normally, if you're not affiliated with them, then you would only be able to get the February stamp set for February. So for January, let me show you what the stamp set is. It is this, which is really pretty also. So that's January and February. And then if you were really to get on the ball and order in the next couple of days, this is the December, which is also really pretty. Warm Wishes. I really like it. It's called Reindeer Crossing. That's a pretty one also. But anyway, I will link below to my Close to My Heart site. And also, I won't link each individual thing, but I'll probably link this card kit because it is a Valentine's thing separately if it doesn't pop up on the home screen when I go there. I think that it will. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you really quickly so that you could get started on your Valentine's craft making if that's what you're going to be working on next. Really appreciate you watching, everybody. Thank you so much, and happy crafting.